Okay, Athena is the Olympian. Okay, let's try that again. So, hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this channel. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back, guys. So, as you can see by the thumbnail, I do have the Box by Fashionsta for the month of March. And guys, I am super excited. I don't know why I'm super excited, but I am. I think because I haven't really noticed any spoilers. I haven't seen any unboxings. And I've purposely not seen any unboxings, just so you know. So I know there are some of my friends that have this box, but I don't want to be spoiled. So, you know, first impressions for me mean everything. Now, if you want to see, like I want to see what's in this March box, my thoughts on the products in here, then keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, yes, so we have the Box by Fashionsta for the month of March. You know, I was just sitting here thinking, I don't think I've ever gotten a bad box. Like, that's really weird. Like, nothing is coming to mind where I was like, oh, I don't like this product. Like, no, like, why did they send me that? Nothing. I don't remember that. Now, you know, I could be mistaken, but I don't know. Anyway, I did change into my comfy sweatshirt. I'm like feeling it, you know. Before we get into this, just quickly let me say, if you are new here, again, my name is Stephanie. I am your host. I will be your host for the next however many minutes it takes to go over this box, which is upside down, I know. But this is a beauty channel. We do everything beauty for the mind, the body, and the soul. And by that I mean, you know, we do the normal cosmetic type beauty, unboxings galore, try-ons with the products inside the box. Sometimes when a new release comes out, I will grab it and I will go ahead and review it for you, or just review products. And if you want to see anything, or you want something specifically reviewed, please drop it in the comments and I will do my darndest to get it done. And I'm not afraid to try anything, guys. Just know that, okay? I also have a freebie series where I will teach you how to get free, full-size freebies continuously to your door without any hassles. It's totally legit. Please check out my playlist if you want to find out more about that. I do have some more of those videos coming, by the way, guys. I have to tackle that pile. It's just too big and I need to get rid of it. I need to get the boxes out and out. Yeah, it's just a really great place to hang out. I mean, you know, if you love makeup and you love to have fun, then by all means, hit that subscribe button and please become part of our family. This is a family and I treat it as such. I meet the most wonderful people here and I love what I do, and I hope that reflects in my videos. All right, so with all of that being said, let's go ahead and get on into it. Again, upside down. Okay. You know, after 4 boxes, you'd think I would know where my scissors are, right? I don't. Hang on. I told you to hold on for nothing. You know why? Because I can't find them, and we're still using the tweezers. That's 3 videos. Anyway, when I open... Now, let me just say about this box, guys. If you don't know about Fashionsta, it's Fashionsta, the Box by Fashionsta. And I will link all the reference information down below, but I will tell you it's $24.99 for this box, and this is a monthly subscription. Let's open her up for the month of March. I have no idea what's in this box, guys. I have not even looked. I was very good, and it always comes with a card. I really do enjoy this box, guys. I am so into like clean skincare, and a lot of times this box is chock full of it. And I found some really great products through this box. It does have a card with the list of products and the prices. And this is the theme, Marchology. Okay, if I can say this, wow. Somebody owes me 20 bucks. Just kidding. Marchology. There you go. I said it. It wasn't that hard. Reveal your inner warrior. Okay, so there we go. I'm liking that. It's a very pretty box. And another thing that's great about this box, guys, is that they give back, okay? And it does have a little, usually it will have a little something on here. They used to print it on the inside of the box, but they no longer do that. So what I see is black squiggly. So always packaged really nicely. I did drop the card. Hold please. I'm back. Anyway. Yeah, so we do have 6 products this month, as like usual. I mean, I want to say that it's always 6 products. I don't know how long I've been getting this box, but like I said, I believe I will never stop getting this box, never ever. Now, you usually get skincare, sometimes some hair care. There's even makeup in here, so it's like the kind of pretty cool rounded box. Oh, okay, I see something I like already. Always with this box. I love when I get out of here. Okay. I have really found some good favorites in here, guys. Okay, so the first thing I'm looking at right here is Lip Love. And there's the packaging. The little black, like, fuzzies from the box, from the squigglies gets on it. But I don't mind it because they're so cute. I do recycle those. So we have Lip Love. And let's see what this is about. Lip Love. Shop Lip Love Liquid Gloss. This is $12 retail value. Oh, listen to this. Can be worn as a gloss, a highlight, or eye color. Liner for a natural glow. Eye color or liner for a natural glow that moisturizes and balances your skin. What? Okay. Yes, yes, and oh, hell yes. Yeah, I'm liking that color. Let's see. Would it go in my eye look today? I don't know. Hey, guys, comment down below. What color are my eyes? Because I have a blue shirt on. And normally when I have blue on, I can't remember. Do my eyes get really, really green or do they get really, really blue? Then when I wear green, they do the opposite. So if you wouldn't be so kind, if you can pause the video, look at my eyes. What color are they? Because I really cannot tell in this lighting. Thank you. If I have any active giveaways going on, they will be linked down below. Because I don't know when you're going to see this video. Guys, we are like moving along and I'm at almost going to be like, you know, I don't worry about the numbers, but I like to plan for like the big events. And 750 is just around the corner and you know I'm going to do something for that. But that 1,000... hubby's getting in on that. We are going to have fun. Sorry, I digress. When don't I? Yeah, so that is the first product, value at $12. Okay, so let's see. Sahara Rose, and this is I Am Treasure Hydra C Serum. Okay, this is the, here's the packaging, very pretty. It says, an all-in-one brightening and revitalizing serum packed with a potent vitamin C, powerful antioxidants, super nutrients, and fruit extracts, vegan and cruelty-free, which most of the products in this box are, and I'm also loving that. I did smush the packaging just a little bit. I hate when I do that in case I want to send it out to one of y'all. Okay, so it does come in a brown bottle. Now, guys, I am just going to quickly hold it up and then get it back in. Now, I don't know if that's because it has to settle, but it doesn't look like it's full. But, I mean, hey, it's a lot, and there's the packaging, and it is, again, in a brown bottle. Most vitamin C's, if you don't know, please keep them in a dark, cool place. I would have to check the ingredients in here and see. But yeah, it's a 1 fluid ounce, and that is valued at, oh my gosh, $54. Boom of the box, as I always say. And this one, oh my gosh. Okay, so I have, where is it? I think I put it away finally. I did get a moisturizer. I believe you can use that moisturizer anywhere on your body. So it's from the company Greengrass, and that's where the lotion was. So here I have this. Now, what is this? M. Greengrass Fragrances. Ooh, that's nice. Sweet Clementine Dry Oil Spray. Loving that. Multi-use for body, face, and hair. You know what? Listen, guys. I have been loving the fact, like, okay, I learned, you know, and thank you to the Not So Evil Stepmother. I know I mention her a lot, but she's freaking awesome, okay? And, after watching her video, I kind of reached out and asked her about some things, and she kind of steered me in the right direction. And also, there's a new company up on Instagram that I was communicating with and chatting with and checking out their posts, and they have a lot of informational things going on. They haven't yet dropped their products. I believe it's going to be in April or May, so be on the lookout. I will link them here somewhere. And then also their Instagram down below. Please go follow them. I'm telling you guys, this is going to be a good company. I can feel it. But okay, so M. Greengrass this is already a good company. And it says sweet fragrance is Sweet Clementine. Now, it is an oil, so we're going to be very careful with this because I don't want it to get all over me. Oils, I've been really loving oils. It's nice. Oh, it's very citrusy. I love it. See, I like clean citrus smells, like when you're in the orchard. Like my grandma used to have oranges and lemon trees behind her house in Florida, and we had fresh squeezed orange juice, cold fresh squeezed. She used to she would get up at the crack of dawn, go pick her oranges, cut them in half, and hand squeeze them. Oh my gosh, take all the pits out of them, all the pulp, because my grandpa didn't like pulp. But she would put it in the fridge for hours before we got up, and we would always have it. So I did rub it in, and it is very hydrating. I don't know if you can see, my light doesn't really allow for that kind of shimmer thing, but oh, I love the smell. Oh my God. Oh my God. It is so good. God, this is me. Perfect. I'm going to, listen, you know how I don't put stuff on my body, like after I take a shower, right? I will make an exception for this. That's how good this smells. Okay, so we have this, and this is valued at $36. And I would imagine you don't need much of this because I just put one spray, guys, and I mean, it smells like I have oh my God, it's just so good. Okay, all right, so let me just stop. This is great. Probably right now, I have to say this, so far, this will be my favorite thing right there, which is very unusual for putting stuff. But I would definitely like to put that on my face. Even if, you know, dry oil is really good. Okay, so this is from Medusa's Makeup. I haven't seen this brand in a while, so where they been? Okay, so this is Medusa's Makeup Waterproof Mascara, and the value is $14, okay? Wow, we've been getting a lot of mascaras, right? I got 3 in a row. All right, so why am I opening it? I'm not trying to open it. Okay, I'm there. I can't open it. Well, that's a good thing. Okay, so I'm not supposed to be opening it. I have so many going on right now. This is the Witch. It says Medusa's Makeup Witch Lash, vegan, cruelty-free, thickening mascara, which is exactly what I need. So there you have that. Pretty pink box and container that the mascara actually comes in. And again, that's $14. Now, we do have this, which is from, who's this from? Oh, this is from LA Splash, I think. Yes, LA Splash. Okay, there it is, if you can see that. I don't know if you can... It's not showing up yet. There you go. All right, so let's check this out. What is this? This is a dual-ended sleek lip pencil with a highly pigmented lip color, designed to line, define, and fill in your lips. Can be worn alone or as a base. Okay, so that's cool. Now, I'm wondering, maybe, right? Let's pray. What is it? What is the shade? Oh, yeah, I'm kind of liking that shade. 04, there it is. It's maybe a little dark, but... if you have something like this to put on top of it, I could absolutely get away with it. Okay, so let's check her out. Oh, see, that's kind of cool. Oh, it's got this little thingy on top. All right, hang on. Let me show you the product itself. Yes, I like that. I like that. I kind of do like that. I don't know, but I would have to be really creamy to fill it in, but it is a wooden one, and I do like those. I kind of like them better than the plastic ones. I tell you, I can never get them to a point ever again. And then on the other side of it, which I think is really cool, it comes with this smudger. What does it say? Hold on. Yeah, Architect Lip Sculptor. A dual-ended sleek pencil with a highly pigmented lip color designed to line, define, and fill in your lips. Can be worn alone or as a base. So does their stuff come out of there? I don't know. It doesn't say. Does it say on the box? Let me see. No. There's nothing on the box. No. Dual side liner pencil, sponge eraser. That's what it says on the box. So that's a sponge eraser. Maybe that you would fill it in and then like take it out and put in another color for like an ombre. Could help you with doing ombres maybe. Just a suggestion, just a thought. I don't know. And this is valued at $10. So here you go. I do like that color. It's a little dark, but again, you know, you can totally pair it with another one. Do a little light in the middle. Hold please, because my lips are very dry. Sorry, I digress. Now, did I tell you how much that was? Yes, $10. So the last in the box is from Ditto Cosmetics. That's a pretty cool packaging. I do kind of like that. Look at that. I like the detail. I do. And that looks like a, what is she? I don't know. Oh, it's one of the Greek goddesses. Yes, Athena. Isn't she? She's either, oh, she's the goddess of war, I believe. Okay, let me read. This is Ditto Cosmetics Official Muse Athena 16 color palette, $29. Athena is the Olympian goddess of wisdom. Create noble and sophisticated makeup looks with this stunning mix of bright and neutral tones. There is a thing on this, so hold on. It's getting late and I'm getting goofy, guys. I'm sitting here trying to struggle. It's not coming out. I'm like, oh my God, not again. Because Ice Cream Beauty's palette was stuck. It took me a good 5 minutes. I was sticking everything down in there. I was afraid I was going to ruin the shadows from last month, but I got it open. Oh my gosh. Crazy. And now I got caca on my nails. What? Get off. Okay, sorry. All right, so. Oh my God. Okay, I was going to say it's not coming out, but this is cute. I like the packaging. You see it has like things on it. It's like there's designs. I don't know what. Oh, is that the? It looks like maybe their logo. I don't know. It's C+ or something. I don't know. But anyway, here's what the palette looks like. Beautiful packaging. I really think that's nice. And then, oh my God. Okay, so first of all, let me just show you the mirror. I think the mirror is amazing. Okay, I don't know why I like this mirror so much, but I do. Okay, so check out the designs in that mirror. Oh, my mess there. Okay, so let's just put it like this. You see the designs on it? It's just so cute as I show you my mess on my dresser. But guys, look at this palette. Okay, so A, B, Y, and then these are Greek letters on there, and that's so cool. So let me show you. Look at the colors. They're so pretty. They are pretty. They are pretty and vibrant. They are very vibrant. Wow, I wonder how these swatch. Oh, and you have a pressed glitter right here that's got every kind of shift in it you can imagine. I see blue, I see green, I see yellow, silver, and gold. Yes, there is a little bit of pink in there. Just a very smidge. I saw a couple little granules. But yeah, this is a very pretty palette. I would want to go on their website and see what, like, take inspiration, not copy, but take inspiration from somebody that uses this palette. And this, again, is valued at $29. I'm liking the palette. That's the thing. You always get some kind of palette in here, if not other makeup items. So let's recap really quickly. We have the Oh So Gorgeous palette from Ditto, which is valued at $29. We have LA Splash, which is a lip liner and an eraser. No, sorry. LA Splash with a lip liner and eraser. Okay, we have that one. And then we also have the Medusa's Oh, I guess it, what now? What? Hold on, let me just make sure. Witch Lash, like, anyway, it's Witch Lash Mascara. Oh my gosh. And that is for $14. And then we have this pretty, I see now, because this lip gloss would absolutely go with that palette, for sure. For sure. You got your lip and you got your eyes. So there you go. You're good. And this is the Lip Love, and this is valued at $12. Also, we have my favorite in the box. I don't know, it's down to the palette in this, because you know I'm an eyeshadow girl. This is the M Green Grass Sweet Clementine Dry Oil, okay? And then last but not least, we have the Sahara Rose Brightening and Plumping Serum. Okay, guys, let me just tell you really quickly. I know this video is late, and I will cut it down, but I have been looking for I said it in another video. I've looked everywhere. I've looked on Macari. I've looked on Poshmark. I can't find it for less than like $60. And okay, I get it. That's $30 cheaper, but I'm trying to see if I could swap for it. It was in a box. If you know which company you were able to get the Kate Somerville Squalene and Hyaluronic Plumping Serum, please, it has a blue label on it. It's a white bottle, like, you know, Kate Somerville's standard white squeezy bottle, and it has blue writing on it. Now, there is a Eradicate mask that kind of has the same packaging, like the letters are the same color, but it's not that one. It is the Squalene and Hyaluronic Plumping Serum, okay? I want that. Seriously, if I trade, I will give double the value, and that stuff is $98, guys. $98 if you were to buy it. I have been trying to find it, and I can't. And if anybody knows, if you know what box that product came in, because I can't remember if it was BoxyCharm or Ipsy, and I've been Googling it, and nothing, I can't find it. But I know I got it in a box. So, if you can comment down below, please, where did that come from? What box did we find that in? I would highly appreciate that. Okay, so there you go, guys, for the month of March. What do you think of this box? So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Please, guys, don't forget to rate the video thumbs up. That really, really is important, and it's really starting to work. So please, let's keep up the good work. I beg of you. Yeah, so comment down below what you think of this box. Did you get this box? What's your favorite product in this box? Would you like to get this box? Do you not like this box? Give me the tea on this box. Please remember, if you are blue and feeling out of sorts, please talk, share about it. Get it off your chest, get it out of your head. The more you talk about it, the better you'll feel, I promise. And you know, even on those days that you don't even know what's bothering you, just start talking, because eventually you're going to get down to it. And if you are that kind of person who can sit and listen for your friends, or be there for your friends with just an ear, please do that. You can help somebody. It's a wonderful feeling. I love it. I've done it, and trust me, I know. Also, in this crazy mix-up world of ours, please remember, most of all, stay safe. Till the next one, guys. See ya.